After launching HMD Aura back in May last year, the company has now launched the new version of it in Australia as HMD Aura 2. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The HMD Aura 2 features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display, with a standard 60 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a 13-megapixel main camera under the squarish module at the top left corner. Under the hood, the HMD Aura 2 comes powered by Uni SoC SC9863A chipset, paired with IMG 8322 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 128 GB via microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box under Go Edition. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.4 by 76.9 by 8.95 millimeters, and it weighs around 185.4 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The HMD Aura 2 has been priced in Australia at $169 and it is now available for purchase in the country in shadow black and electric purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this HMD Aura 2 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.